and not listening. What happens when we not listen to God? You know, in the Genesis, God becomes angry. God becomes angry. Cain is cursed to roam the earth because of his sin. And in the gospel today, we saw Jesus is frustrated. Why is frustrated? Because the Pharisees are pressing him down for a sign. So he's upset. He's upset because people do not understand him. People fail to listen to his message. But the response is different. Jesus responds in a different way. He doesn't get angry, but rather he sighed from the depth of his spirit. He sighed from the depth of his spirit. Let this phrase be in our hearts, in our minds. To sigh from the depth of our spirit. Whenever we get angry, whenever we get upset or frustrated. In the first reading, Cain screwed up big time. In the gospel, people let Jesus down. And today, we are living in a world with full of sin and temptations. But we have a choice. We have a choice to listen to God or not to listen to God.